Okay, so I did say I was going to talk about coconut oil, my experiences with this, and I finally did it. This is the Nutiva Coconut Oil. I'm just going to say that. And you see the brand name right here. All right. This actually is the second brand of coconut oil that I've used. No, the third brand. Let me rephrase that. This is the third brand that I've actually used. The first brand that I used was I just know that it was years ago. I had come across Spectrum. It starts with an S. And then I've used the store brand one. So, I don't know. I was just kind of on my journey and just trying to figure out and explore new coconut oils. But anyway, this is the brand I'm using right now. And I know if you aren't familiar with this, sometimes it can be a little confusing. Why? Because there's different types. For instance, there's a refined and there is a expeller pressed and a cold pressed. So I'm going to give you the rundown of what I've been told and what I learned based on reading like articles and stuff. So for the full nutrients, I'll just sum it up. Head over to the unrefined and the cold pressed one. How can I put this? Okay. I've been told and read that the refined and expeller pressed has been processed through a very high heating temperature, meaning that some of the benefits and the nutrients in that coconut oil is like knocked off, taken away a little bit. But it doesn't really have that coconut oil taste to it. I've been told too, so if the coconut oil taste kind of drives you crazy whatnot, then try to refine expeller pressed. But it's weird because I've came across some that looks good, but it has expeller pressed in it, so I put it down immediately because I want something that hasn't been necessarily like, let me just say it just hasn't been touched, you know? I want it all. I want all the nutrients. But so yeah, I picked up a jar of the unrefined and cold pressed one, and this actually is one. And the first time I used it was for my hair. I used it to seal my ends. I used it for leave-in conditioner. I used it in deep conditioners. I used this as a pre-poo when I combed out my hair when it was curly. And what I mean by that is that I think it's called a pre-poo, I believe. Well, I'm just gonna say I use this as like a prep before I wash my hair. Like when I had my hair curly, I wanted to detangle it before I just jumped in the shower and washed my hair. So I coated my hair with coconut oil and combed it out, and it was like a detangler for me, and an easy detangler, and my hair loved it. And it left my hair really soft. Another thing is that I used this when I had color in my hair, and it made my color look vibrant, and it didn't soak my color out. Like my color was still in even after using coconut oil. I heard that it had a lot of health benefits as far as weight loss. It can remove the plaque from your teeth, improves memory and brain function. It can help with dandruff. You can use this for anti-aging, hormone balance. And I love putting this on my toast. Oh my goodness, like it is amazing. Instead of butter, this was so good. Now I have my grandmother on coconut oil on her toast and my mother with coconut oil on toast. At first she thought it was going to be nasty. And I kind of like sneaked putting coconut oil on her toast and just put like organic strawberry jelly on top of it. And she looked at me, but she ate it. She was like, that's had to be like one of the best toasts she ever had. So I'm very happy that they are eating that. But okay, you can see the inside of what it looks like. And that brown stuff, that's from like toast. So I'm like, ew, no, that's toast right there. And this is what it looks like. And of course, if you're in a cold area, I mean, it gets hard. So you might want to run it under some like warm water or or just leave it out in a I don't know, just somewhere where it got a little bit of a little warm temperature at. But I mean, it's cold, so I mean, can't help it. But anyway, and on the back, as you can see, it says unrefined, cold pressed. And I believe that it says the more saturated fat it got in it, the better. And yeah, it says any brown specks are natural to coconut. Well, mine came from toast. So, yeah. And it just tells you, like, what you can use it for. And yeah, I've used it for hair care. And oh, yep. Cut myself off. Yep, it is delicious on bread. Just do, like, further research on coconut oil, you know, and brands and stuff like that. Like, they have a lot. And, you know, it tastes like coconut. So I'm happy with it, and I like the benefits from it, and my hair loved it too. So, but if you're trying to cop some, you know, make sure that the coconut oil is unrefined and cold pressed. Nothing against refined and nothing against expeller pressed. It's just that, hey, I read the article, I'm reading these articles and what people have told me, and I've been having good results from cold pressing and unrefined. But yeah, go ahead and copy some coconut oil. Get on that healthy train.